equation with a radical. And for us to solve, we have to get rid of the radical. So the first thing we want to do is come in and square both sides, because this will get rid of the radical. So on the right side, we're left with negative 3x plus 63. But on the left side, remember that this is a binomial. So when we expand it, we're going to FOIL. So this turns into x squared minus 6x plus 9. Now, when we have radical equations that turn into quadratic equations like this, we want to set it equal to 0. So I'm going to combine my like terms by adding 3x on both sides. All right, and then we're going to subtract 63 on both sides. So on the right side, my equation is now equal to 0. When we rewrite the left side, x squared minus 3x minus 54 is equal to 0. Now we're focusing on factoring and seeing what are the solutions to this quadratic equation. So I'm going to have x minus 9 times x plus 6. When we look back at this, when we multiply, it'll give us the negative 54. When we add, it's going to give us a negative 3 in the middle. So make sure that you set both factors equal to 0. So we know x is equal to positive 9. Or when we do the second factor, x is equal to negative 6. Now, just because we have both of these factors, this does not mean they satisfy the equation. So if we check for the extraneous solution, we plug negative 6 into x in the original equation, we'll have negative 6 minus 3 is equal to the square root of negative 3 times negative 6 plus 63. And when we simplify now, what we're going to get is negative 9 is equal to the square root of positive 18 plus 63. This gives us an 81. And when we take the square root of 81, we're saying that negative 9 is equal to positive 9. This is incorrect. So when x is negative 6, this is actually an extraneous solution because it will not satisfy the equation.